Well, we finally made it down. Decided last night to come down and spend the night on the boat. So, just woken up this morning, it's 7:45. Had a lovely night last night. We both nodded off really early. I mean, we were both like gone by 9 o'clock. All snuggled up in her. Here we go. She's looking a bit dirty, so job today is to give her a nice clean, give her a bit of a scrub down, get her ready for summer. You alright in there, baby? Good morning. How did you sleep?
Like an icicle.
So how like?
Like an icicle.
Was it cold?
It was cold.
Was it? A bit chilly?
But comfy.
Comfy but chilly. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Now I need to get up.
Yeah, it's actually warmer out than it is in there, because once you come out you've got the sun, and the sun's just coming up now, so it's going to be a lovely day today. We've picked a lovely weekend to come down. But yeah, we got a lot of tidying. We just come down, unloaded the car, chucked everything in, didn't we? Had some in it, and then crawled into bed, and that was it, gone.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll be busy today, won't we?
It's gonna be long. Yeah.
Yeah. But we're going to enjoy it though, because we're just pottering around doing what we want to do. So yeah, so we'll get her all ship shape today, give her a nice clean, give her a tidy, put the spray hood back up again. This is all part of the spray hood, that's all going to go back up again, because it gives us a little bit of extra cover then. But yeah, she's looking grotty now. She's had a dirty winter, so I'm going to get on her and give her a good scrub. But yeah, waking up to this in the morning, lovely. You get used to this. Nice bit of scenery there, a little bit of 360 for you. How about that? That's professional camera work, that is, isn't it, eh? Can't pay for that. There's our friends there, me Julie. We haven't seen them yet, so I'm hoping they're going to come down this weekend. I should do, because it's a nice weekend and they're usually down. Yeah, the old girl. Oh, look at that. What did I just see there? Didn't we just see you?
No, not me.
No, not you. You getting out that way?
No.
Go on, we'll film it then. We'll see how ladylike you can do it. You can get away with it because you're on a boat. You're allowed to, like.
Yes, but I'm not dressed for it.
You're not dressed for it. We'll leave her a minute to get her pants back on then, shall we? We'll sneakily watch from the stern. Good morning. Come on, 3 points of contact, please. Thank you very much. That's what I teach Thomas. 3 points of contact. There we go. That's better. Always try and keep 3 points of contact on the boat.
Just
Thank you very much. Safety
points,
first.
no.
I'm not a point. Well, yeah, we'll leave the hatch open and let some of the condensation out as well. Right, you nip into the ladies' room. Bye. It's off over to the shower block over there. Right, anyway, yeah, enough nattering. Let's get on. We're making good progress here today in the cleaning championships. Vicky's on the inside. You've done that side, haven't you now? So we're just finishing this side now, isn't it?
The units here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're having a slight issue with the damp over the winter and mould patches. Quite a lot of white mould, fluffy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like candy floss mould. Yeah,
but
it's for the most part it's done now.
Yeah, it already. I mean, I say it looks cleaner, but anybody watching probably going, "What the hell?" But yeah, it's
like
clean,
like
but
a dump in
it just needs tidying now.
Yeah, we're getting there.
And I've been on the outside, been scrubbing all the surfaces down. So it originally started off like that, all dirty, and now, yeah, this one's side's just been finished. But you start to see where the paint's peeling off now, so we want to get rid of that paint. And we want to go blue, dark blue with this. So all these parts will be dark blue, and then we'll repaint white here. and freshen all that up as well when we come round to it. But yeah, just plodding along, scrubbing away, enjoying the sunshine. It's a beautiful day down here in the marina. It really is gorgeous. So yeah, so I've just completed that bit. I'm going to put the spray hood up in a minute. So I want to get this area done first. I'm going to put my spray hood up and then start doing the bow and the sides, and get looking good. Yeah, and then finally we'll finish the day by doing the Z cockpit. Do this last because this is the bit we're in and out of most. So we'll do this part last for the day. Better get on with some work, hadn't I, babe?
Yeah, top. Spacker.
Hello. Hello. Oh, bird flu. Hey, baby.
Hey.
Having a much needed tea break, aren't we?
Yes.
Yes. So coffee. Just for those who are saying we're not having a tea break, we're just lying around doing nothing. To go into the cockpit. Oh, right. So we've had a bit of a tidy up in there and a good clean with Vic.
Yeah.
Apart from the floor, we need to finish off the floor. A bit grubby on it, isn't it? Give it a scrub when we've done getting in and out of the boat.
Yeah.
So we got what we've got in the storage locker over in the corner there is.
So I've had to take all the paperwork that we had on board out because it was it gotten damp.
Right.
So I've just put our food in there for now.
Okay.
Just so it's tidy away. The
Okay.
other
Other side.
is got the antifreeze for the boat, which we use.
Bits and pieces. Yeah.
There's not much in there.
Sink there. Clean the sink out. This is the cooker. Now we're debating on. Well, I'm thinking of getting rid of the cooker, to be fair, because I really want to move all that radio stuff over to here, so then I can have it coming through this side of the boat here, so I can operate the radio from inside the boat, outside the boat, or a handheld. I don't know which one, but yeah. So I kind of want to move it all over to this direction, but yeah. So yeah, just been doing the scrubbing, so I've managed to do all the top along here at the front as well. So I've got the bow to do around the side skirts all along here. You can see all the moss is all built up there over time. It's all dirty down there because all the dirt is coming off the side here where I've been washing all the sides down. It's all running down the channel. And we've got the back to do, cockpit to do, and then yeah, that's pretty much the cleaning side of things done then, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the spray hood up as well, just because we kind of like it with the spray hood up. It's nice, isn't it? Seems to make the boat a bit bigger, doesn't it? Yeah. So right, finish off the tea. Yeah.
A little bit of teaking afterwards.
And it's goodbye from us, and is it goodbye from you? Oh, there we go. Well, good morning. Coffee's finished, ready, and we found Miss Sleepyhead. Hello, Miss Sleepyhead.
Morning.
How did you sleep?
Okay.
Yeah.
Apart from concussion, yeah.
Concussion?
Yeah.
Go on, explain.
I rolled myself right into the corner last night and I went to move and I hit my head.
Yeah.
And I hit my head the night before as well and I've got a whacking great bruise, so I'm not sure how I did that one.
Do you think we need some padding on the walls? Like a little padding cell in there? Would that help you?
I'd probably feel at home.
Well, yeah. This is our last morning, isn't it? I mean, it's a gorgeous morning up here on the marina. Absolutely stunning day. Yeah. So what did we get done yesterday then? So
yesterday I was in charge of inside.
You were, and you did a fantastic job as well. So it's all nice and packed away and tidy in there when you look at the...
It was.
Yeah, well it was, yeah.
It
so
will
last
be
night,
later.
Yeah.
So yeah, everything had a really good wipe down and clean yesterday inside. Sorted some waterproof boxes out so that any electrical bits we've got stored on board, or the coffee supplies, the most important coffee supplies, stay dry.
Definitely coffee supplies. Yeah.
So yeah, that took a couple of hours whilst you started outside, didn't you?
Yeah, yeah. So got down on my hands and knees with a brush and scrubbed her. We absolutely scrubbed her. She still looks dirty, doesn't she?
She looks
tired. I'm looking there, and she still looks dirty. But yeah, it all needs freshening up. It all needs a freshening up.
which
Yeah.
will be
We
a
got-
coat of paint.
Yeah,
Or
we got
several.
paint. I've got paint peeling off there, and yeah, all along the boat we had patches of paint that was peeling off all along there. So yeah, we'll anti-slip that. You did all the wood as well. Started treating the wood, so that's the first one it's had on.
Yeah, so it had some teak oil, and she absorbed it quite quickly.
Got the teak oil.
So she obviously really needed it,
Yeah.
but she already feels better for it this morning.
Yeah, a few more of those like that, and then shouldn't. But it was just getting the algae off that was the hardest part. It was like scrubbing all this algae off. But yeah, I think we got most of it off. It's horrible stuff. Sits and we found out all our little drainage plugs were all blocked as well, so we've unplugged them. One there. So that's unplugged, so the water can run off the boat.
They changed the hose pipes, so it actually reaches around the whole boat.
Yeah, we've actually got hose pipes there now, so we can actually reach across right over, can't we? So it makes life a bit easier.
It made it a lot easier.
Yeah, made it a bit easier when we swill the boat down then.
But yeah, she's looking okay.
Yeah, still need to sort our locker tops out.
Yeah, they are
They are pretty short now.
very spongy.
Yeah,
That one I think's completely gone.
yeah, it's not far off, is it? It's all just rotten, absolutely. But it's only a bit of ply, marine ply, and we got some at home, haven't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that'll be the job for before we come down next time, hopefully, to get those down.
Yeah, yeah. It's only a couple of pieces of board anyway, isn't it? That's all it is, literally a piece of board.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll get that sorted. We'll get that done. And what are we doing this today?
Barry.
We're off to Barry today, aren't we?
Doing Barry.
Yeah,
We're off to Barry.
we're off to Barry today. So I said I'd take her over to Barry, show her Penarth. So we'll go up to Penarth. We're not going to sail it, unfortunately.
Not today.
Not today. We're not going to sail her at the moment because we're waiting for the water pump part. So yeah, it'll be a case of just drop up in the car, drive around to Penarth, show her around Penarth, along the waterfront, up to then Barry, where we'll go and see where Gavin and Stacey is, because she loves that program, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Family favourite.
yeah. So she likes that. So I said I'll take her up and show her the chip shop and where Nessa used to work, and yeah.
Enjoy
Finish
the
off.
sunshine that's
Yeah.
supposed to come today.
That's it. Yeah, it's meant to be gorgeous weather today, so we'll just enjoy as much of it as we can before we head back to Bath, isn't it?
Yeah. To phase 2 of home life.
Phase 2 of home life, yeah. Yeah, that's it. It's going to be quite strange getting used to that. It is. So, I think we'll go on off now, shall we? And go and have a look around Barry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tidy up, pack away.
Tidy up, pack away, put to bed, and go to Barry. Hooray!